interesting.
What? It's not coming out.
Yeah.
Then try using the screwdriver to push this one out, like a flat screwdriver. Just push this black part out. So,
Where's the? Do these work? I don't think so. No? Okay, I just use this to push it.
oh, it has.
What is that?
Thermal paste.
Thermal paste. Okay. What does it do?
Make sure there's contact between the heatsink and the CPU, and also help with the dispensation of the heat.
Alright, that's good.
Okay, see, we're almost done. It's not that hard. The first time it was hard because you didn't build it, but now that we've done it apart the first time, I was like, oh, okay, it's easy. Yeah, that's one thing about computers. The first time is the hard part.
Your expertise.
Oh.
I have no idea how to use that.
Just have to fit it.
Oh yeah. Oh no, we don't. Never mind.
Wait, so what kind of now let's switch it because I need pressure. Take the board out. Look at this. So I need to put pressure to screw it down. Oh, you can. Or do you want to try it? It's just this and this screw. Don't screw one all the way down, so balance it. So screw this a little bit, screw the other side a little bit.
I don't know if I'm screwing it in. Doesn't look like it doesn't feel like it's going in.
No, it's going. Yeah, I'll put the other side.
The computer you built from scratch, is it like a school project or you just did it for fun?
Basically for fun.
Interesting.
Well, I mean, I use it, but it's more like half and half school and then for fun.
So like how many memory size was you able to contain? Like the RAM, which size was it?
My phone is kind of crooked.
Open?
It's kind of crooked.
Oh, wait, because that one didn't go in. It's fine, so it's fine. We can work with this. Okay. Okay, there you go.
Oh, maybe I should have plugged it in before.
No, it's fine.
I think it's the second one.
Touch the middle, just move it from like the head. Just kind of put even pressure at the sides when it clicks. And now I have to transfer this bracket from here to here because this is custom.
Oh, you don't have any SSDs?
No. Remember the hard drives are the SSDs in there. No.
Oh, we have.
Yeah, if you can take off the bracket, the screwdriver right there.
Are you removing that or you're tightening it?
No, taking it out.
What does this bracket do?
Secure the thing.
Okay.
So the CPU runs hot, so you need to cool it down. That's where it has the heat sink coming. I think that's the last thing we need for today.
Need to plug the power supply to here, plug this to an outlet somewhere, and then you use a screwdriver or plug whatever connects to the buttons up here to here, somewhere here, and then we turn it on.
Or we can just put it in there, plug it, and just test it like that. But we don't screw the motherboard in.
Okay.
Touch the middle, just remove from like the head. So just kind of put even pressure at the sides when it clicks. And now I have to transfer this bracket from here to here because this is custom.
Oh, you don't have any SSDs?
No. Remember the hard drives are the SSDs in there. No.
Oh, we have.
Yeah, if you can take off the bracket, the screwdriver right there.
Are you removing that or you're tightening it?
No, taking it out.
What does this bracket do?
Secure the thing.
Okay.
So the CPU runs hot, so you need to cool it down. That's where it has the heat sink coming. I think that's the last thing we need for today. make your life easy.
Yeah, but it's still, there's no space. So.
Don't do.
The only thing we have to do is install the fan and then screw it.
Technical, no.
Don't we have to plug in
I know you said don't
like everything
here,
else?
right?
Like for the fan?
You're
and
going to
everything?
the children's room.
It's just 2 fans, literally.
Children's room. You can do whatever, but just you can't disturb. I don't want you guys to break
Why doesn't
anything.
it hold?
You just push it in. What is the...
CPU fan error. We didn't plug the CPU fan. No keyboard detector. Press N1 to run. Okay, so it detected the 2 drives. It detected the memory. 16 gig.
drives.
Yeah.
You plug everything in?
Yeah.
Oh.
So look at the BIOS. It shows everything.
See, okay, the status of in. Wait, if I plug it in now, would it work? Or do I have to restart everything?
Oh, so I put the flash drive in that box. So you can plug that in and probably just.
What is that?
Oh wait, nah. Let's. CPU fan error. We didn't plug the CPU fan. No keyboard detector. Press N1 to run. Okay, so it detected the 2 drives. It detected the memory. 16 gig.
drives.
Yeah.
You plug everything in?
Yeah.
Oh.
So look at the BIOS. It shows everything.
See, okay, the status of in. Wait, if I plug it in now, would it work? Or do I have to restart everything?
Oh, so I put the flash drive in that box. So you can plug that in and probably just.
What is that?
Oh wait, nah. Let's.
Uh-oh.
You want to SATA cables.
Okay. I think I got. Oh, so it's more like take it from the side and then. No, you just have to make sure it goes to like you see.
Yeah, you have to move it up a bit.
Yeah, you see here. So you're gonna get it.
I think it's in, but I don't hear a click. Yeah, it's not good.
I think it's in.
Let's see once we turn it on.
Just have to plug a bunch of stuff in. Plug the CPU.
This one is
I think it's
what?
what happened last time. Plug this in for fan. I can't really.
Can you reach it?
Can't get to it. Okay.
Maybe we can plug it first before we put this heat
Not
sink.
possible.
Not possible.
Oh, you mean the heatsink?
Yeah.
I mean, I already put the thermal paste, so that's gonna be hard.
Oh.
Because I have to clean it again and then.
Alright.
Yep, there we go.
Get it?
Perfect.
You want to plug the GPU in? Oh, we have to.
Yeah, we have to. And then also this to turn it up. I don't know where this one goes to here. The system.
Yeah, that one you might have to read
The instructions.
Oh, nice.
Actually, I think on the motherboard it kind of tells you no. Where is it? That's not it.
Oh, there's a DVD video. Is that a DVD video?
Oh, somewhere. Yeah. What is it? RGB?
Is that like a graphic depletion? I always like to follow graphic depletion. See, look at it. This goes here.
CPU fan.
So step 6 F panel should be close to the PCIe.
So like around here, but I don't see any label like that. I see chassis fan. I see the RGB header one.
No.
Uncle?
Might be somewhere.
Hey, what's up?
Can you move the light for a second? Like away from the motherboard?
Wait, is this it?
Yes, I can't.
Yeah,
I can't
panel.
read it.
Yes, F panel right there.
Okay.
That's it. But then it doesn't give you instruction on which I go to. Oh, it does. Okay, I see it now. Yeah, I can see it. LED power reset HD. Yeah.
Oh, it's better. You can see it better on this side. You wanna come this side then you put it?
No,
Because
I got it.
okay, you can see.
So let's reset on hard drive first. So this.
It doesn't look.
Power.
Is it supposed to be? Supposed to.
Power and what's the other two? Power LED, not power SW. Can you move the phone a little bit? Power LED. Give us life.
Yeah.
It's working.
You want to start the BIOS now?
Yes. It's interesting. Good. Give us life.
Yeah.
It's working.
You want to start the BIOS now?
Yes. It's
Nice. CPU has been reassembled. Made with China. This is the product we use in China. It's not moving, right? Yeah, it's trying to for the fan. It's not moving. Or is it? Do we need to